Hi, my name is Natalia and I'm a real estate attorney here in the state of Florida. And today I wanted to talk to you bidders in foreclosure auctions, specifically about 5 reasons why you should never wait to hire a real estate attorney and why it can be too late. So, number one, time, right? So when you're going to bid at these foreclosure auctions, you are taking a massive risk, spending tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars purchasing a piece of real estate that can come with a lot of problematic issues. It takes time to do a proper search of these properties. I mean, imagine if like your debtor's name is Paul Smith. Well, there can be 1,000 filings for a Paul Smith. So if you don't reach out to an attorney with sufficient time for them to do a proper search, you're not going to get a quality search to find all the possible issues that can come up with a property. The second one also relates to time, but it's time to get an appointment with an attorney. Much like a good doctor, getting an appointment with a good attorney means that that attorney is not going to be available the day that you call to make an appointment. You can expect generally 3 to 5 days, maybe more, to get an appointment with a real estate attorney. And so it's super important that you call to set your appointment with sufficient time far in advance of that auction that's taking place. Number three, a reason why you shouldn't wait is because once you've bid and made that payment, if something comes up, you have only 24 hours to pay the balance. And if you don't come back and pay the balance because you find something weird, quirky, or something's making you nervous about it, you have to forfeit that deposit. So you're forfeiting 5% of tens of thousands of hundreds of thousands of dollars, and that's a significant amount of money, and it's far more than you'd ever spend having a really good consultation with an attorney in advance. Number four, it is a far more expensive to fix than to prevent issues. And what that means is, let's say something comes up and now you realize you've bid at a second mortgage foreclosure as opposed to a first mortgage foreclosure. You're having now to negotiate a mortgage, if you're lucky that they'll negotiate, for hundreds of thousands of dollars that you didn't think you were going to be liable for. So that is far more expensive to fix than the prevention you would have gotten with a timely appointment with a real estate attorney that would have been able to tell you, hey, you're going to take a giant risk bidding at a second lien holder position auction rather than a first. And then finally, once something happens, if you do not hire a real estate attorney, no one else in that case, no other party is going to advocate for your rights. Meaning there's not going to be a plaintiff requesting that you get your money back. There's not going to be a debtor requesting that you get your money back. That's not how it happens. And the same way, they're not going to request that a certificate of title be issued to confirm the sale. I've seen things sit for months with a plaintiff doing absolutely nothing to get a sales confirmed, an objection scheduled, or anything like that if something does arise. So it's very important for you to not wait and sit and just go, yeah, this search is enough, particularly if you have very little experience understanding what searches mean, what their contents are. So please get into the habit of, one, developing a relationship with a real estate attorney, two, contacting them with sufficient time so that they can actually do the research and find those things for you that can create a higher risk than you were willing to take, or at least you're going into it with knowing what your risks are and really having your bid price reflect the type of risk that you're undertaking. All right, my name is Natalia Willette. I'm a real estate attorney here in the state of Florida, and good luck out there, investors.